And there it is, all done, and I'm really pleased with the way it's turned out. I wasn't too sure at first with this because the only real rider wheels I had left for an off-road vehicle was these grey real riders, and I don't know if the colour would match, but now it's on, I like the way it looks, and it's the right stance. As you can see, it now looks like a Land Rover now, so I'm quite pleased. And as I said, I kept it simple, so all I did was chrome penned the lights, the side markers, which on this particular model, by this point in time, they were clear anyway, so that's how I got away with that. And as you can see, I did the winch. It's turned out really nice, so that's turned out pretty cool, and a little bit of fuel cap detail. And I also did transfer case. But like I said, I kept it simple. It does roll nice. But anyway, with that, so as I said, I am doing a wheel swap every Wednesday now. So this is the first of the wheel swap, official start of the wheel swap Wednesdays. And I said in a previous video that on my wheel swap Wednesdays, once a fortnight, I would do a wheel swap giveaway. So I thought I'd start off the wheel swap Wednesdays with a giveaway, but I'm not giving away this one just yet. I'm actually giving away the first wheel swap I ever did, or at least the first one I can remember doing, which is this Hot Wheels mainline, and it is the Chevy Silverado in this cool camouflage colour. And this, all I did to this before was, this has got some quite old Real Rider wheels in it, because that's all I had at the time, and I gave it sort of some painted details and lights, and the little bow tie there, and the mirrors were painted in, the rear lights were done, and I glued in this little green light compressor, because a lot of these off-road vehicles do have tools in the back, or you know, especially if they're competing, they do carry compressors, so they can obviously re-inflate their tyres. But anyway, if you want a chance to win this, all you got to do is leave a respectful comment after the video, and then the next wheel swap I do, next wheel swap Wednesday, which will obviously be next Wednesday, I will read the comments and see, and put them in the hat as usual, and I'll pull out a winner. So, and that's what I said I'm going to do. So basically, I'll be doing wheel swap Wednesday every Wednesday, and then once a fortnight on a Wednesday, I'll be doing a wheel swap giveaway. And usually I'll be giving away what it is I've made on the day. But I just thought to start it off, I would give away this. But anyway, with that being said, please like, share, subscribe. Stay tuned for more unboxing videos, vintage pieces, wheel swaps, and all that good stuff in the future. And with that, I'll see you all soon. Thank you very much for watching.